Welcome to the Pass the PMP course on Insight. Our course menu is linked for easy navigation. If this is your first time, you can just click Begin Course, or return to Lesson in Progress if you started the course and want to pick up where you left off. You can also use the table of contents for easy navigation to a lesson of your choice. Here's a brief sample.
What if my project is Agile? How would this be different? Let's talk about managing scope in an Agile environment. These 6 processes would be handled very differently. We'll start with the process of plan scope management. Agile places little emphasis on the scope management plan or requirements management plan. In fact, a core value of Agile prefers responding to change over following a plan.
Follow along with the transcript. Jump to the Media Center for all handouts, downloadables, and exercises. The My Progress tab helps you keep track of which lessons you viewed and how much time you've spent in each, as well as in total. A green check mark lets you know you've completed that lesson. One of our best features of this prep course is our testing lab. View previous exam results or take a new test. Our tests are aligned to the current PMP exam, so you can pull questions by domain or take a simulated exam of 1 to 200 questions. Tests will be timed and include multiple choice, multiple select, point and click, and drag and drop question formats. When you've completed the exam, click End Exam for your final score and results by category or domain. We highly recommend you review all questions for a thorough explanation behind each Q&A. Return to the main menu by selecting Classroom or return to your Insight dashboard.